Hello friends, today's vocabulary is related to an idiom and today's idiom is run the risk. It means to do something that might cause a problem or lead to danger. This idiom can be used for physical, emotional, financial or other kind of risk. Okay, to understand this better, let's look at a few examples. Here is the first example. If you drive without a seatbelt, you are running the risk of serious injury. In this case, running the risk suggests the action could lead to physical harm or danger. Okay, let's take the second example. The company is running the risk of losing market share by not adapting to new technology. Okay, that's all from me today. Don't forget to practice. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I'll see you again soon with more new videos. Thank you.